My name is Jeremy Stickney, 21 years old, live in Toronto. I went to Evan's 3-day workshop, and from there I just started my own YouTube channel. I'm also an investor.
Q&A time. How can I help? What do you got?
I'm just pumping out content
a
lot now on YouTube, but the views aren't coming in, which is normal, of course.
Okay.
And I hear a lot of people talking about running like stuff like Facebook ads, or promoting videos through ads and stuff like. Is that a practical? Should I be spending money at this early in the game to just try and get? No. Yeah.
The only reason to run ads is if you need the vanity metrics for something. It basically makes you look bigger than you are, and if that helps you in some respect to help you close a deal or something, then you can. But paid ads very rarely convert to subscribers. Like you'll spend a lot to get subscribers. So you'll get lots of views, but you won't get any engagement, and you won't get any new subs from it. If you have money that you're spending, I would spend it on how do I get better with my content. And if you're doing thought leadership stuff, like it's you talking to the camera, talking head stuff, like what I do, then it's you. Like you've got a fancy camera. He's recording here too. He's got this Sony fancy camera, microphone. Like that's enough. That's more than what I had. You got a nicer tripod than me, a nicer camera than me. The variable is going to be you. How good are you? How good are you on camera? How good are your ideas? How good are you at swaying me? And if people like it, if people like your content, it's never been easier to share.
Yeah.
If people love this, they can share it. If they think it's garbage, they won't.
Yeah,
right?
Well, yeah, true.
And if it's just okay, then they won't either. Like, yeah, okay, I learned something awesome, but I'm not going to show my friend that.
Yeah.
So it's getting the content good enough, and that sucks, and it's the best. It sucks because, like, man, it means you suck, right?
Yeah.
You got to get better. But the good part is it's all under your control. Like, you're not limited by how much you can spend on an ad on Facebook or on YouTube. So it's good. It's an advantage for you because you work hard. And so if you every day keep practicing, getting better at the craft so that some people recognize it. And what you'll find is you may have a video too that blows up for whatever reason, but it's more, you just start hitting more people. So on my YouTube channel, I don't know how far back, like when you first found me and what I was doing, but
a couple of years ago.
So there's been some people who've been like OG, like right from, not quite the beginning, but close, who are still sticking around, and they've seen the transformation. And for me, because my content, I wasn't very good on camera. I don't know that much of what I said or opinions have changed that much. I've just gotten better at explaining them and better energy and more emotional commitment. I had people in the early days, and they loved what I made. The better I get, the more I can widen the funnel. Yeah. So the people who are listening to you right now and say, wow, that's really helpful, is a tiny little percentage. And then your goal is to just increase that by 0.5%,
each time?
Every month. Like, I'm slowly hitting more people, right? I'm slowly getting better. So it's not that it actually sucks, it just can only hit a couple people because you're not good enough yet. I deserve to be where I'm at, but I don't deserve to have 10 million subscribers. I don't deserve to sell out arenas because I hit X% of people, which is better than I did before, but I won't hit as many people as Tony Robbins will because he's better at the craft than I am. And that's awesome. I understand the frustration because it's always looking for ways to, like, how do I hack this? How do I get better? And I feel that same thing. And I'm always hacking. And there's things that you can do to hack as well. If you're looking on YouTube, especially if you have any opinions on current trends that's happening. So I'm the weakest at this because I don't follow the news. I don't pay attention to trends and what's happening. I know I'm ignorant in most things. I know a lot about like 4 things and nothing about everything else.
I get that. Yeah.
And it's a strength and a weakness. But whatever happened today, Elon Musk said whatever. Talk about
video on it. Right
give your point of view. If you want to be a thought leader, that's what you have to do, is give a perspective that people didn't think about before. So it shifts their thinking.
Yeah.
Also, if you want to know what I think and what other successful entrepreneurs think about building confidence, check out my new 254 Confidence series, where every day for the next 254 days for free, I will send you a 30-second to 5-minute video in the morning to help you build unstoppable confidence. The link is in the description below.
If you want to be more confident, you need to surround yourself with things that make you feel confident. Realizing that any big endeavor is the collection of a lot of small steps that came before it. If you're doing work that you love, you're more likely to follow through. You're more likely to do it because it doesn't feel like work, because you love doing it.
So let me give you the one-word secret to happiness. One word. This is all you need to be happy.
The most important word ever.
If you had to think of one word that's most important to you, or that sums you up, or that would be kind of like a little beacon.
If you want to learn 7 of the fastest ways to grow a YouTube channel, check out the link right there next to me. I think you'll enjoy it. Continue to believe, and I'll see you there.
So today I'm going to share with you, with the help of my friends, the 7 different ways to quickly grow your YouTube channel.